Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, today we'll do the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, of chapter 7. So, uh, look here at the first one. Blank is an electrical component that regulates the flow of electric current in an electric circuit. Okay, so what component controls the or regulates the flow of electrical current? It's a resistor. Okay, by resistor we regulate the current. You must have seen in your fans also there is a regulator, and that regulator has resistance in it. So by varying the resistance, we can change the current. Okay, so your answer is resistor. Okay, now next one in blank combination of resistors, current remains same. So there are two types of combinations of resistors. Okay, we have seen in the chapter, that is parallel combination and series combination. So in series combination, the current remains same, and in parallel combination, the voltage remains same. So just remember that. Okay, so your answer is series. Now the third one, current carrying wire is a source of, so a current carrying wire always has a magnetic field around it. Okay, so it's a source of magnetism. So your answer is magnetism. Now, uh, like poles and unlike poles. Okay, so in magnets, like poles repel each other. Okay, north and north or south and south, they repel each other, but unlike poles attract each other. Okay, north and south attract each other. Okay, so this is the answer for the fourth one. And now, is the surest test of magnetism. So like poles repel each other and unlike attract. So if you have two pieces of magnet and they are attracting, can you tell both are magnet? So we are not sure, okay, because one can be a magnet and one can be a piece of just iron only, okay. So we cannot be sure whether they are magnet or both are magnet or not. So to make sure both, when they repel each other, so repelling is only possible when both the pieces are magnet and they are like poles are facing each other. So that is for sure that both are magnet. Okay, so repulsion is the surest test of magnetism. No, the attractive property of magnet is maximum at the ends and minimum at the center. Okay, so you have seen it in your chapters. at the poles or at the ends of a magnet, the attractive property is maximum. So you can see here also in the diagram. Here is the diagram. Okay, the diagram is not given here. Okay, so diagram is not available here. Okay, I'll show you later sometime. So in a diagram where magnetic lines are shown, okay, magnetic field is shown, you can see the lines are very close to each other at the ends. So that's why the magnetic properties or the attractive property is maximum. Okay, and at the center it is minimum. It is almost zero. Okay, so that is your answer. Now the seventh one. The atom from which the electrons get detached is called. Now you have studied in your chemistry also. Atom has uh, three particles in it. Okay, electron, proton, and neutron. So in nucleus we have proton and neutron, and electron moves in orbits around it. Now, if electron is taken away, and you know the charges also, that electron is negatively charged and proton is positively charged and neutron has no charge. So, uh, when electron is removed, okay, when a neutral atom has neutral charge because the electron has negative charge and proton has positive, and they balance each other and neutralize each other, you can say the charges. But when electrons are removed, then it has a positive charge. The atom has a positive charge. So you can say it is a positive ion. Okay. Charged atoms are called ions. So you can say it is a positive ion. Okay. So your answer is ion here, positive ion. Now metal is a collection of positive ions fixed at their position. Okay, now these positive ions are fixed at their position, they do not move. Only the moving particle is electron. Okay, a large number of electrons moving freely here and there in a metal. Okay, in a metal which is a conductor, positive ions are fixed at their position and electrons are free to move. So this is your answer, positive ions here and electrons here. Now the next one, blank is an arrangement which can bring about the motion of free electrons in a circuit, in a conductor. Okay, so what brings uh, the motion of electrons? The EMF, okay, the EMF, that is called electromotive force. Okay, when a potential difference is there, you can say. So EMF is there, that is called EMF, electromotive force. So when voltage is there, a potential difference is there, EMF is there. Okay, the source of EMF is an arrangement, and source of EMF is what? You can see cells or batteries. These are called the source of EMF. So a current flows through them. Okay, so your answer is source of EMF. Now the last one, conductors have, we have already discussed, conductors have free electrons and insulators do not have these free electrons. Okay, so your answer is free electrons and free electrons only. Okay, so that's why they are called conductors, because they have free electrons are there free to move, and which make a flow of current, because current is the flow of electrons only is called the current. When there are free electrons, then only current can be passed through them, and they are called conductors. But insulators do not have these free electrons. Okay, they are not easily, cannot be freed. They have electrons but are not free to move. Okay, so this is your answer and this is your exercise. Uh, we have done this exercise. So I'll send you the answers also. Okay, I will send a PDF of the answers of fill in the blanks. Now definitions. Next exercise is definitions. You can find in your book. Okay, most of these you will find, and if you don't find any of them, okay, I'll find for you and give you. Okay, so now complete this up to fill in the blanks, and also try to find the definitions and write them, and those definitions you don't find, just tell me and I'll send you. Okay, I'll write and give it to you in PDF form. Okay, and then we'll do the next class. We'll do this uh, word false, and then one word also is there. So we'll complete the exercises in the next chapter. Okay, matching is also there, so we'll complete it. Okay, all three of them, and then we'll move on to the question answers. Okay, then do up to here today.